What was your birthday?
February 2nd.
February 2nd. Yeah. The two of diamonds is your lucky card, right? Now, think about this. We've been shuffling those cards and you cut anywhere.
Mm-hmm.
So, let's see.
Whoa.
That's why I knew
What the?
that was the case. I knew that was the case. They say you can't judge a book by its cover. This is the exception. The Fortune Teller Book of Days is no ordinary book. It's a doorway into destiny itself. A spectator freely chooses a card. Start throwing on the table and you stop anywhere. There? Okay. Another turns to their birthday in the Fortune Teller Book of Days. And then May 27th is right here. And beside that date, written in ink, long before this moment, is their chosen card. Now, let me know if that makes sense to you. If it describes you.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. It does. And then what's your lucky card?
6 of spades.
6 of spades. Now, remember, we shuffled, you stopped anywhere, but something made you stop right here. If that's the 6 of spades, that would be incredible. But look, these are all, of course, all different. This is all different. This beautiful hardbound edition will last you a lifetime. It has been designed to look and feel like something purchased from a local bookstore. Fortune Teller Book of Days is self-working. It's easy to learn and easy to perform. As a bonus, you also receive a softbound edition, perfect for casual or on-the-go performances. It also easily fits in your pocket. The Fortune Teller Book of Days is not a card trick. It's theater disguised as a miracle, a perfect blend of story, suspense, and impossibility. It's a routine that transforms simple participation into something unforgettable and deeply personal. When the pages reveal what no one could have known, that's when the real magic begins. Welcome to the Fortune Teller's Book of Days.